At Queen City Harley, we know the process of looking for your perfect Harley is unlike anything else. It's an experience that's meant to be shared among friends. The folks at Queen City will walk you through our vast selection of new and pre-owned bikes, accessories, and official Harley-Davidson clothing and gear to set you up with everything you need. Look around or just hang out. Our relaxed atmosphere and knowledgeable staff are here to answer any questions you may have.
You never really meet a stranger while you're here. The staff members treat you like family. Anytime I have a question about anything, whether it's the mechanics for the motorcycle in the back or accessories, or if I just want to come in here and find something to wear, the staff always know exactly where to go, exactly how to help me and what I'm looking for.
Your Harley-Davidson is the finest motorcycle on the road today. And at Queen City, we want to ensure it remains that way, from the first mile to 100,000 miles. At Queen City Harley-Davidson, we only employ factory-trained and certified technicians. It's a very high standard reserved only for those technicians who meet the demanding annual training criteria of Harley-Davidson. Master certification is a level of recognition that is hard-earned and sets the benchmark for the very best in technical and diagnostic skills. At Queen City Harley-Davidson, we have 4 on our team. Stop by and meet the friendly staff at Queen City Harley today. Ride away in style, but come back and see us again.